Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're enjoying your first snow day, and I hope you're getting in a lot of snowball fights and building snowmen. But unfortunately, we have a little bit of learning to get done today. So, in order to do so, we're going to use our Google Classroom. So, go grab a parent or a family member that can help you through this process, and let's get started. We're going to continue learning about landforms. Do you remember yesterday? We learned our song, and we talked about how a mountain is a landform, and a river flows, and it's a landform. Well, we're going to practice that more today. And you're going to be able to play some games and fill out a great worksheet for me for tomorrow. So, to begin, you'll need to log into our Google Classroom. That is what you can see here. And when you scroll down, you'll see our snow day lesson for today. There's short instructions just in case you missed something in the video. That's fine. So the first part is our song that we learned yesterday and that we've been practicing through. So you'll take the first link and click to our landform song. Do you remember it from yesterday? Are you ready to share with family and friends? Well, if you are, you'll go ahead and click and play the song through as many times as you need. No rush. You can play it one time or sing through it 4 times. It's all up to you. So you'll sing and you'll do the motions just to get your mind rolling with some landforms. Then, once you're finished with the song and you feel confident in your landforms, you'll move on to a first game. We're going to play a high point lookout. In this game, you're going to search for landforms and name them and label them. So this will give you some really good practice to get in before we continue tomorrow. I would really like you to go through this at least for 5 minutes. If you get past that and you still want to keep going, that's fine too. But at least keep your mind there for 5 minutes. Once you're done, you can go back to our webpage and you'll click the third link. This link will take you to our next game. This is the last game for this lesson, and I promise you'll enjoy it too. So, you'll go to this game, which is a matching game. And you'll be able to click through mountain. And then if we find this, is this a mountain? No. So you'll go through, and I want you to play this game for a few rounds, probably approximately 10 minutes. So parents, get that timer out, and let's make these kids learn. Then, when you're finished with your 10 minutes of this game, you'll go back to our webpage on our classroom, see? And you'll click the final link. This link will take you to your worksheet. This is your homework. So, you'll need to print out this page, and then the directions say to draw a picture of each landform. But since we're doing this as a snow day lesson, I want to expand that a little bit. If you would like to get a picture of a magazine, or you want to take a picture and then paste it or tape it to your explanation, so if you have a river in your backyard, you can take a picture of the river, get the picture printed, and cut it out and glue it onto your river form. You'll complete that for all of these. So a magazine, or you can color if you would prefer. And don't forget to write your name in the top left corner. And then you'll bring that in with you tomorrow or the next day if we have another snow day. But this will be your homework for tonight. Finally, this last bit's for the parents. Once your student has been completing all of this and they finally finish, they've completed not only singing the game, or singing the song, in the beginning, and then they've completed the 2 games for 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and then they've completed their worksheet. This last bit's for you. There's a short survey that I need. It's on a Google document, and you'll go to it. It's on our website, so it's also on our Google Drive, and it's entitled Parent Survey. So I would like the parents to fill it out. It's only about 3 or 4 questions, and it simply just states that your child has completed this assignment so that I know that the child really did go through the games, listen to the song, and then completed their worksheet for the next day. Then it also asks for some feedback. I'd really like to hear about our first snow day lesson and how you think your child did and what you think I could improve on. So let's go learn more about landforms. Have fun practicing, and I promise, if everybody completes their worksheet, we're going to have a big snowball fight on Monday. Have a great weekend.